Hey friends, if you wish to remove green check mark on desktop icons in Windows 11, then please watch this video. So these green check marks are nothing, they are just indicative that these documents are being uploaded to the cloud. But if you don't like that, then right click on the OneDrive icon, click on the settings symbol and select settings. Go to the sync and backup tab, select manage backup and wait for all of these to load. Then turn the switch off for desktop. Okay, and then click on stop backup, and it will need a while, and then you can see that these green ticks are gone. But honestly it is not required because the online OneDrive is also under your control, and you don't save a lot of files on desktop. Mostly they are just shortcuts and they don't occupy a lot of space. But if you are still bothered by the green check boxes, then this is what you can do. But in this case it will not be uploaded to the cloud. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.